Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be making purple slime. Purple unicorn slime. With directions. With magical water.
Dad, look at Cooper. Daddy, he's looking at the phone.
With our audience. Toot toot! Okay, so what do we do first? We open the slime. Oh my god.
Open it.
Wait, you'll make a mess.
Open it over the water, though. It'll be better if you open it over the water.
You want to pour it in? Okay, we're going to pour it in. Okay, oh god, you're supposed to pour it in slowly? Okay, alright. Alright, now. Ooh,
It stinks.
bubbling.
Bubbling.
Thank you, Plant, for holding the phone. Huh?
Dad, smell it.
Oh god, help me!
He said, yeah, you're welcome.
Oh god, help me!
He's like, yeah, you're welcome. Push the phone off.
Leaf.
It's a dead one.
Leave me alone.
It's a dead leaf.
Okay, let's stir it up.
I want it.
Okay, oh god, help me.
Dad, smell it. Smell it.
It smells purpley.
It smells,
It smells like the car
It
wash.
smells like chemicals.
Yeah, it's definitely chemicals.
It sure is too. It looks like grape juice. It's slime juice.
Let's look at.
It smells
Oh,
like,
don't drop the spoon in there.
It smells like your beer.
Really?
Yeah, for real. Smell it.
There it is.
Dad, smell your beer.
I'm gonna drink my beer.
Dad, smell your. Dad, smell that. And then smell the slime when you.
Ooh, no, that's more potent. Ah!
It smells the
Bleh.
same. It smells the same, right? My
Ah!
spoon! Oh, look at
Doopy nose.
Oh!
It's squishy.
That's so coopy on the camera.
So poopy on the camera.
Oh.
Then toop toop. Dad toopy.
Oh.
Don't scrape on me. Don't scrape on me. You're nosy. Nosiest dog in the world. Get out of here, Nozo. Noses. We're going to feed this to you after we're done. Your squishy nose. Now he's jabbing me with his again. Look. Coopy. What are you doing? Coop.
Don't bite my feet! Stop biting my feet! Ow! Stop!
Oh, stop. Stop. You're. Oh, God, help me. Get your
And
nose
Cooper.
out of here.
Now Cooper.
Get your little nose, hunk nose out of here. All right, so we have to pause this, and then we'll be right back after these messages. Okay, welcome back to Jeff and Haven's Slime Time, where the channel is, well, whatever. Today we are making purple unicorn slime, and we've developed a secret solution, and Haven is going to show it off. Blech. Blech. So, what do we do now? Okay, we made all this slime, but we don't know what to do with it. Does anybody want to purchase any slime from us that we made? Should we put it on Cooper? God help me.
Of course not.
Toot toot!
And then look. See? Look.
Toot!
So now you can play with
Toopy.
your slime experiment.
Here, Toot. You want this? Here. Get over here, you punk. Hey, you want some of the slime?
Oh, his head underneath.
They
Dad, look.
What?
See?
So do we dip our hands in here? You want to dip your hands in there? Okay, hold on. Here we go. All right, here we go. Here goes the real mess.
No.
You got a paper towel in your mouth. Put your whole hand in there and pull it out for the audience.
Dad. No.
Go ahead. Your hand's going to disappear. It's going to eat through your flesh.
It's gonna kill my heart.
It's going to kill your heart. No, I'm
And I'm gonna get a heart attack, and I'm gonna die right now.
No.
Are you gonna die?
No.
Am I gonna kill you?
No. Oh, God, help me. Jesus. You want me to die?
Yeah. You do it.
Why do I have to do it?
You're like.
Oh, God, here we go. Ah! Feels like poop. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God, the flasher. He's